Which fruit juice is best for glowing skin? Healthy, glowing skin often reflects overall well-being, and one of the most effective ways to achieve it is through proper nutrition. While skincare products can offer surface-level benefits, the real magic begins from within. Fruit juices are an excellent way to nourish your skin, as they are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and hydration that can rejuvenate your complexion. In this video, explore some of the best fruit juices for glowing skin and why they work so effectively. 1. Orange juice, the vitamin C powerhouse. Orange juice is one of the most popular and effective juices for glowing skin. It is rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts collagen production and fights free radicals, which are responsible for premature aging. Collagen helps maintain skin elasticity, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Additionally, the natural citric acid in orange juice helps exfoliate dead skin cells and reduce pigmentation, leaving your skin brighter and more even-toned. Drinking a glass of fresh orange juice daily can hydrate your skin, improve its texture, and give it a radiant glow. 2. Pomegranate juice, the anti-aging elixir. Known as the fruit of paradise, pomegranate is celebrated for its incredible health benefits, particularly for skin rejuvenation. Its juice is packed with ellagic acid and punicalagins, antioxidants that protect the skin from UV damage and environmental toxins. These compounds also promote cell regeneration and repair, making pomegranate juice an excellent anti-aging drink. Regular consumption of pomegranate juice can enhance your skin's texture, minimize wrinkles, and reduce dark spots, giving you a youthful and glowing complexion. 3. Apple juice, the skin hydrator. Apple juice is another excellent choice for glowing skin. Apples are rich in vitamin C and copper, which supports skin health by protecting it from oxidative stress. The fruit also contains malic acid, a natural alpha-hydroxy acid, AH, that gently exfoliates and hydrates the skin, leaving it soft and smooth. Drinking apple juice regularly can help balance your skin's pH levels, improve hydration, and reduce inflammation. This makes it ideal for people with dry or sensitive skin. 4. Carrot juice, the beta-carotene boost. Carrot juice is a superstar for healthy, glowing skin due to its high content of beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A. Beta-carotene not only gives carrots their vibrant orange color but also works wonders for skin health by reducing acne, preventing dryness, and promoting a radiant complexion. Carrot juice is also loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants that protect the skin from sun damage and reduce signs of aging. Consuming carrot juice regularly can improve your skin's tone, texture, and overall glow. 5. Beetroot juice, the skin purifier. Beetroot juice is a detoxifying elixir that is rich in nitrates, vitamin C, and iron. These nutrients help improve blood circulation, oxygenating your skin cells and promoting a natural glow. Beetroot juice also contains beta-cyanin, an antioxidant that reduces pigmentation, blemishes, and acne scars. This juice is particularly effective in purifying the blood, which directly impacts the health and appearance of your skin. Drinking a glass of beetroot juice daily can leave your skin looking clear, even-toned, and vibrant. 6. Watermelon juice, the hydration hero. If hydration is what your skin craves, watermelon juice is your go-to option. With over 90% water content, watermelon is incredibly hydrating and helps maintain skin moisture. It is also rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that protects the skin from UV damage and prevents premature aging. Watermelon juice contains vitamins C and E, which work together to nourish the skin, reduce inflammation, and boost its radiance. Consuming watermelon juice regularly can keep your skin supple, hydrated, and glowing. 7. Papaya juice, the skin brightener. Papaya juice is a natural remedy for dull and uneven skin. Papayas contain papain, an enzyme that gently exfoliates the skin and removes dead cells, revealing brighter and smoother skin underneath. The juice is also rich in vitamins C and E, which fight free radicals, reduce pigmentation, and promote collagen synthesis. Drinking papaya juice can help lighten dark spots, reduce blemishes, and give your skin a natural, healthy glow. 8. Lemon juice, the detoxifying agent. Lemon juice is a powerful detox drink that helps cleanse the liver and flush out toxins from the body. Since the health of your skin is closely linked to your internal organs, detoxifying your system can result in clearer and more radiant skin. Rich in vitamin C, lemon juice boosts collagen production, reduces wrinkles, and fights skin discoloration. Adding a few drops of lemon juice to water and drinking it first thing in the morning can give your skin a refreshing glow. 9. Pineapple juice, the skin healer. Pineapple juice is loaded with bromelain, an enzyme that reduces inflammation and helps heal acne scars and sun damage. This tropical fruit juice is also rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which combat free radicals and promote skin regeneration. Regular consumption of pineapple juice can improve your skin's texture, reduce dark spots, and give it a youthful appearance.